So let me ask a question. What is wellness from your perspective? You have heard hundreds of times, thousands of times, and you must have put it on your website also. What is wellness? WHO defined health, right, as a perfect state of the health, body, mind, perfect state, and absence of diseases. That's where the health is. It's a status. So if I say health and wellness, so health is a state of being rather than, right, health of state being. While the wellness is the enhanced state, it's a positive, is it affirmative? It is something more than the neutral status. Something which is below neutral, then you have disease, you have condition. So if you are able to walk perfectly, if you are able to sleep perfectly, if you are able to do your things perfectly, then you are in a neutral status. And that's where people, they say you are healthy, because you do not have certain condition. If your body is not able to function in a neutral status, then you probably have some disease. And disease where you require the medical treatment and treatment to bring back to the neutral status. So in general, it's a common belief that neutral status of your body, mind and your soul is health. But wellness is all about enhanced status. So something more positive than that, something which is more affirmative, something which is more great, anything that promotes your mind, body and soul comes part of wellness. And future is going to be in wellness. Why it's going to be in wellness? Because the enhanced state of your being. One is just a being, and that being could any time rupture, could be damaged, because the neutral status is not good enough with the current crisis we are seeing. Again, you can be neutral when you are self-dependent, but when there are external factors involved, now virus was not in your control, pollution is not in your control on a large scale, weather calamity is not in your control. In such situation, being net neutral might not be able to help you a lot, but being positive, positive from your mind, positive from your body status, positive from your spiritual thinking will help you. So wellness is an enhanced state of your being, something which is more positive, something which is more affirmative. Now, reason why we need more wellness is because being healthy is just not good enough. We need more positive element, and people are going to spend lots of money on wellness, because people have realized during COVID, people have realized that their life matters a lot, their condition matters a lot, their health matters a lot. What are important thing in their life, they are just not related to your basic understanding of diseases or medical condition. They do need something more than that. Do you agree with me? And do you agree with me that wellness is one of the fastest growing industry in world, and everyone is somehow inclined towards the wellness and they are moving towards the wellness. Let's go to some important point. Now, let me just explain you one by one. So as WHO says, in 1940 they defined that a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease. That was their definition of health. That is just not merely absence of disease, but a complete, it's a very hypothetical thought about, and it's already criticized a lot. Simple absence of disease is very difficult to find in terms of health, but in wellness we look from very different perspective. Wellness is promotive. What do you mean by promotive? You can promote yourself, you can enhance yourself towards the wellness, you can promote, you can go there, you can reach out there. Wellness is not here. This is what is here is probably health. What is here is a disease. Here is a disease, here is a health, but wellness is a step ahead where you are more positive, you're more affirmative, you're more promotive. Wellness is an individual decision. You can be go into well-being by your choices and your individual activities, right? Wellness involves making lifestyle changes. Can you achieve wellness by just simply taking medical treatment or surgical treatment? Right? So wellness does require some personal efforts to reach out to that. Those efforts are related to mind, body and soul activity, right? Wellness is always about discovering new way to promote your body given the circumstances. Can you control all the circumstances? The environmental factor, the pollution factor, the other factors, you can't control it. What you can control is your status of being and status of working on those things also. Again, beautiful thought. Wellness is always a matter of a choice, but it's influenced by the factors, which means that you will not be able to control wellness, but you have a choice to deal with it, and you can deal with it with lots of individual efforts. You can deal with the individual efforts with a self-responsibility. You can take a self-responsibility to improve your lifestyle. You can influence your physical, social and cultural well-being. Wellness is a way forward. That's the reason why wellness tourism is a $700 billion industry. So wellness, simple wellness is $4.3 trillion industry, and wellness tourism is around $700 billion industry, and now is even going to grow further.